Front camera not working in WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your WhatsApp app and then tap and hold it. Now go to its app info. After that, go to permissions and then make sure to allow camera permission. Now, after that, go back and then go to its storage section and then tap and clear cache. Now go to Play Store and then make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. Simply search for WhatsApp and then if there is an update button instead of this open button, tap on it and get the latest version of WhatsApp. Try reopening your WhatsApp and then start video calling and that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.